Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to detect and remove viruses from your iPhone. So for us to get this done, the first thing that we are going to do is head over to the settings right here and scroll down to the bottommost part, and you're going to go ahead and open the apps. Now from the apps, I want you to go ahead and scroll down to the bottommost part, and what you are going to do basically is look for Safari. So I'm going to go ahead and open it just like so. And then scroll down again, you should be able to see here something says advanced. Go ahead and click that over there. And from here, you have website data. So you're going to click this one. Now, if you have, say, for example, been using Safari for quite a long time, there should be like a couple of things in here. If not, what you're going to do is head over to the edit right here. And then what you're going to do is clear all of those website data right here. So that's going to ensure that you don't have anything that is unwanted. Now, another thing that we can do is we are going to open files. Click this one right here. And basically, you are going to be downloading files here and there. So what we can do in order to remove them is just by clicking this three dots here at the top and then click select. And then you're going to go ahead and choose something that says select all right there, and we're gonna go ahead and delete these. I'm gonna click the delete button, and you can see that now the folder is empty. So yeah, that basically is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.